a compact set of 6 micro screwdrivers for electronic applications by Wera. Handle of each screwdriver can be divided into 3 zones. The fast turning zone, located just below the rotating cap, allows for rapid twisting. The power zone, located in the middle of the handle, designed to ensure high torque transfer. And the precision zone, located directly above the blade, gives the user a better feel for the right rotation angle during fine adjustment work. Rotating cap, located at the very top of the handle, speeds up the work and makes it more convenient. Wera Black Point tip technology ensures long service life of each screwdriver tip. Set consists of screwdrivers of following types: 4 ball and hex and 2 standard hex. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.